stop applying your retinol or BHA every single night if you do not have a proper occlusive layer to seal it all in. The truth is, this incredibly affordable tube of the ordinary natural moisturizing factors plus hyaluronic acid is the ultimate lifesaver that protects your skin barrier from severe irritation and peeling. So many people complain that they spend a fortune on active treatments, yet their skin still looks textured and feels completely compromised. In today's video, we are going to expose the real truth behind this specific moisturizer. I will break down exactly why its chemical composition actually outperforms many luxury creams on the market. I am also going to show you the exact application technique so it never clogs your pores, especially if you have oily skin. Plus, we need to have a serious talk about the dangerous counterfeit issue that is currently flooding the market. Take a close look at your current evening skincare routine. You wash your face, apply your toner, go in with a strong BHA liquid, and maybe finish with an expensive anti-aging serum. You are essentially throwing a ton of highly active treatments onto your delicate skin. But as a result, your natural skin barrier is being aggressively stripped away. When that protective shield is compromised, hydration simply evaporates into the air almost immediately. That tight, stinging, and visibly red sensation you feel the next morning is your skin literally crying out for help if you do not use a proper occlusive to act as a protective cement. Every single drop of those expensive serums is just evaporating into thin air. This is exactly why the ordinary natural moisturizing factors plus hyaluronic acid was formulated. It does not contain any useless floral extracts or overpowering artificial fragrances. Instead, it delivers exactly what your compromised skin is desperately losing. We are talking about pure NMF, or natural moisturizing factors, alongside hyaluronic acid, essential amino acids, and ceramides. These are the exact building blocks your skin needs to deeply hydrate, retain water, and wake up looking incredibly plump. However, I have to be completely honest with you. This is not a magically perfect, lightweight gel for everyone right out of the tube. The biggest drawback for many people is its notably thick cream texture. If you take a huge dollop and just smear it directly onto your face, it will leave a white cast and might feel incredibly suffocating at first. But do not worry, because there's a professional application trick to activate this exact formula. Instead of dotting it directly onto your cheeks, squeeze a small pea-sized amount directly into the palm of your hand. Gently rub your palms together for about 3 seconds. The natural warmth of your body will instantly melt down the thick cream texture into a smooth, buttery consistency. Once it is melted, gently press your hands over your entire face by pressing it in rather than rubbing. The formula completely absorbs into the skin. It immediately creates an invisible, breathable occlusive layer that locks in all your previous serums without leaving any greasy residue behind. When applied this way, it is perfectly non-comedogenic and will absolutely not cause any pore blockages. But there is one massive, hidden risk that you absolutely must be aware of before you buy this. Currently, The Ordinary is one of the most highly counterfeited skincare brands on the market. Applying a fake, unregulated cream onto a face that is already sensitized by retinol or chemical exfoliants is a guaranteed recipe for severe dermatological disaster. You want to be completely certain that you are putting safe, authentic ingredients on your face to ensure you get the genuine product and protect both your skin and your wallet. Please avoid buying from random and verified sellers. I have already done the hard work for you and linked the official, authentic The Ordinary natural moisturizing factors plus hyaluronic acid right on Amazon. You can find that direct Amazon link in the very first line of the video description below. Just click that link to safely purchase the authentic version and give your skin the exact protection it needs tonight. To sum it all up, if you are actively using any harsh treatments, or if you simply need a robust, reliable skin barrier defense on a budget, this tube is an absolutely brilliant investment. Just always remember to warm it up in your hands before you press it into your skin. If you are still wondering how to properly pair this moisturizer with a beginner-friendly retinol or any other specific serum, just leave a comment down below. I read through them and I will be happy to help you build your perfect routine. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Do not forget to grab your authentic tube through the Amazon link in the description. I will see you all in the next skincare deep dive.